Excel $FR function. This function converts a decimal dollar price into a fractional dollar price. The name stands for dollar fraction. It is commonly used for bond and stock pricing. The syntax is $FR with two parameters, decimal underscore dollar and fraction. The decimal underscore dollar is the number you want to convert, and fraction is the integer denominator you want to express it in. There are two arguments, both required. Decimal underscore dollar is a decimal number representing the dollar price. Fraction is the integer to use as the denominator of the fraction, such as 16 for 16ths or 32 for 30 seconds. Here's an example. We have a decimal dollar value of 1.125 and a fraction denominator of 16. The formula is $FR of B2, B3. Since 0.125 equals 2/16, the result is 1.02. The $FR function returns 1.02. This means 1 and 2/16. With a fraction of 32, the same decimal 1.125 would return 1.04, meaning 1 and 4/32. Watch out for common errors. A div0 error occurs when the fraction argument is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. A num error occurs when the fraction is less than 0. Key points to remember. DOLLARFR converts decimal dollar prices to fractional notation used in bond and stock pricing. Its companion function $day does the reverse. The fraction denominator determines the precision of the output. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.